Hello all, I'm here for the annual alumni function, annual event this is called, and I'm going to enter and show you all the special places which I've been to about 22 years back, and I hope I can make it properly for you all who all are not present here, especially my NRI friends. Hello. So that's my school gate, and yeah, my throat is bad little, please don't mind. And that's my favorite, all the flowers here, I love them so. All for so many years I've been seeing this all. And this is the office that used to be Mother Priya's office, and this is the church. That's my daughter Kritika. And I can't see many people here because I'm early. This is 12 noon. Most of them are about to turn around 2:30, I guess. Hello, I'm Mrs. Bhatti. Huh? This is the registration counter, and the fresh Sausa membership cards are being made here. Can't see anybody from my batch right now. This is Mr. Khan. We've seen him after so many years. Mrs. Bhatti. And ma'am, I'm sorry, I don't remember. Because आप बाद में आए शायद.
It's 30 years back.
It's Mr. Denzel. Hello sir. How are you?
आप खींचे फोटो?
खींच रहे हैं, बिल्कुल आप चिंता मत करिए. मेरे बहुत सारे NRI फ्रेंड्स ने देखना, ये सबकी बड़ी ख्वाहिश है. हाँ, मैं आ गई पायल. I'm here. Hi पायल. You're blessed. I'm more blessed than you.
The people at the registration desk should also come and sit here.
Payal, I call everybody now.
My teachers, some of them are there. This is Neelam Vasan, Anju Sahani, that's Mrs. Bisht, with Veena Uttam Chandani.
Very happy reunion.
That's Sister Ivy, the current principal.
You know, you are going to have a lot of programs, meeting together,
Payal.
and lot of interactions, sharings of joys and experiences of life that is going to enrich everyone. Here we have Mrs. Neera Chandran, who made us proud, and I am sure many of you, most of you are doing well in life. Many of you are involved in education, maybe in social services, in business, in communication, and I know you are all doing wonderfully well, which makes us really feel very proud of you. And the institution has brought you up very wonderfully, giving you a lot of experiences of love, care, and making you we have the pleasure of having Anupama somewhere. All the younger non-dyed hair group can come to the stage.
Same singing group is requested to come. Slower version slower नहीं होता, आप fast में
Love your peace.
Now they are singing a school song.
Alka, fire. Stand like this. Let's not forget this. यहाँ पे पता है. Love your peace. Where there is hatred, let me bring your love. Where there is injury, your pardon, Lord. And where there's no faith in you. Oh, Master, let the time never see. So much to be consoled as to console. To be understood as to understand. To be loved as to love with all my soul. Make me a channel of your peace.
Start and spread the word around to whomever I knew, because my entire batch I think is not in Delhi. I think one or two are here, but most of them are out of country, out of Delhi. So the networking physically to meet becomes a little bit of a problem. But I must say all of them, sister, are doing exceptionally well. And paucity of time is not because they don't want to come, it's just because they're so caught up with what they're doing. The wish is always there to come back. And this is something I don't see in the subsequent generations, unfortunately, because I went back to college even day before yesterday, Lady Shri Ram College, and I keep going back there. And I feel so happy going back and taking pride in whatever they are achieving now, because it's a continuum, you know. Schools are, colleges are all a continuum, and we need to take pride in what's happening now. Of course, we take pride in what the school gave us, but what's happening now is also equally important. And as Sister said, in terms of time, in terms of resources, in terms of whatever we can, it's very important to give back. For me, Sister, the only thing is I should be just told, not even asked, I should be just told, this day, this time, just come. So it's just that much. It's just that I am not able to call you and ask you what you need. But if, and I think this, for the association, I think you need to make little packages or deals, you know, like contribute a break or contribute something in terms of time or in terms of, you just can't generally say support something. You know, you need to have tangible little things, you know, small, 1,000 rupee, 2,000 rupee, whatever the donation. If you have small things, I think that works. That's what's worked in LSR. They're trying scholarships, all kinds of schemes where it's, again, it's very late there and people are laid back there also. So just as a suggestion.
right now.
So that's your speech, Mr. Dennis. I think Mr. Dennis has sent the speech via mail and Payal is reading it.
And the others, you were a fantastic group of young ladies, never a dull moment, always something happening. Singing ghazals, storytelling, when we should have been studying. I honestly don't know how we got through the syllabus. By the way, the beautiful engraved table lamp that your class gave me at my wedding still adorns my lounge. Thank you for everything, you taught me a lot. The subsequent batches were equally enjoyable, scary and horrible. And
Scary?
I share a secret with you all. When some of you decided to divert my attention during lessons and talk about music and guitar, I smiled to myself, and although I understood that you didn't want to study, the fact that was on that day, I just feel like teaching myself. So I went with the flow and allowed you to feel happy that you were able to squeeze a free period out of me. I was mentioned that there was a challenge for me, and at that time, I may have taken decisions that I now regret and say to myself, what was I thinking? Confiscating the accountant's exercise book of Preeti Bond during assembly and tearing it? Apologies, Preeti won't do it again. I don't know if Preeti is here or not. My last batch of year 12 before I came to New Zealand will always remain in my fond memories.
It was
Vandana
ours.
Soni, oh my God. Nisha, Aarti, Monica, Preeti Vilku, whom I
We are here.
Nisha Mittal is here, Preeti is here.
Aarti is also here.
Aarti is here. Aparna, Simi, Vandana Jain, Nansika, Shalini,
Thank you, sir.
Black and Scary, and others. You ladies were dragons.
Dragon? Milo aap hame.
I had my sister with them. Nupur
Cut.
Coaching basketball became a passion and spent hours trying to teach skills to the school team. It didn't help that most of the players were not very
Jayashree.
tall. But that what was lacking in height was more than made up by their commitment and passion towards the game. SAS was lucky to have girls who were willing to give their best for the school. As much as we took our losses in our stride, we were equally humble in our wins as well. So well done. Now, few words about my colleagues, Mr. Khan, Mr. Parashar, Mr. Lingamurthy, Mr. Johnson, Mr. Denzel, Mrs. Vasan, Mrs. Bisht and all the others. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart for all the support. Special thanks. Hello? Special thanks. Special thanks to the male members for the cricket memories seated at the back. This fantastic reunion would not have been possible with the untiring effort of Jayashree, Krishnamurthy, Bhardwaj, Alka, Payal and Indrani. A big thank you to all you ladies and congratulations for making this a huge success. As I've always said, whatever I do and wherever I go, SAS always remains close to my heart. I wish you all the best wishes with a little bit extra for my commerce and basketball and hockey students. Finally, I believe that as a student, I learned from wonderful teachers, and ever since then, I've always thought that everyone is a teacher. So thank you all for your contributions in my learning. May God bless you, each one of you and your families, your servants. Thank you. Now for the center point of this event, we have the, we will not have words to describe this, which is why it's not here. We have the honor to felicitate Mrs. Vasan today. Sister Ivy will felicitate Mrs. Vasan, as some of us might know that Mrs. Vasan is retiring this year. Already retired. I am joking, I could not write on this, I could not